Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is June mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. What are the messages for Pisces water sign? Pisces, under the deck, Two of Swords with Ace of Pentacles and Three of Swords. I think for some you are in separation with your person right now. For some maybe you are in relationship with your person, but this is in and out of relationship. Right now the things between you and your person are not good. But one thing positive in this reading is you are getting financial stability, lot of new opportunities, especially in your career, Pisces. But in relationship, yes, you want new beginnings, you want commitment, but right now it is not happening in relationship because there are some issues. And Two of Swords, you are at some crossroads, Pisces. You have to make some decision, but you are unable to make right now. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Nine of Swords, Four of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, you are thinking about someone or something in recent past and you are feeling missed opportunity. Four of Cups, you are feeling lonely, bored because you are in separation or no contact situation. Then you started to focus on your career because you want to forget this pain. That's why you started focusing on your career. And you are very sharing and caring person and you are very emotional person. We are getting a lot of thoughts regarding this person, especially when you are alone. You are getting a lot of thoughts. Present Ace of Cups, Tower and Nine of Pentacles. You love this person a lot. It is a tower moment for you. This separation is a tower moment for you. You still love them, but you started focusing on your abundance, on your self-growth. Nine of Pentacles energy. Financial stability is coming. Now you are more independent. You are not dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. You stand by your power. You are taking your control back, Pisces. Then future, the Chariot, King of Pentacles and Two of Wands. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yes, you starting moving on, or you want, even though it is very slow moving, still you are trying to forget this pain and you are trying to move on from this person, but you're still thinking about them. And King of Pentacles, financial stability is coming. For some, you person maybe want to offer commitment. Someone is coming to offer commitment, but you are thinking about them a lot. Or for some, you have options, so you are thinking about to make choice. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Pisces, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. Yes, they are also thinking about you. Two of Wands, Knight of Swords and Three of Pentacles. Yes, now they want partnership with you. Now they want to collaborate with you. And Knight of Swords, they are in rush to communicate with you. Yes, they want to communicate with you and they're thinking about you a lot. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, guys. So let's see their feelings and intentions. Pisces. their feelings, current feelings and intentions. Under the deck, 9 of Cups, Queen of Swords and 7 of Pentacles. Right now your person waiting mode, they are on waiting mode. And 9 of Cups, yeah, they're wishing for this connection, but they're waiting for, patiently waiting for right time to approach you, Pisces. So let's see their feelings. Empress, Knight of Cups and 6 of Pentacles. They seeing you as Empress. They're thinking about you very positively. And Knight of Cups, they have romantic feelings towards you, Pisces, and they want to offer their cup of love to you, but they're in slow moving. Right now your person is very, very slow energy. And 6 of Pentacles, I think in past they treated you as an option. There is no equal give and take, but now they're thinking about to offer equal give and take. Then intentions, Hangman, 5 of Wands and Temperance. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. Right now they're stuck. There is a lot of drama is going between you and your person, maybe waiting drama, waiting game between you and your person, but they're patiently waiting. Your person patiently waiting for right time to approach you, but they have romantic feelings for you and they do love you. But right now they're stuck. They're waiting for right time. To be honest with you, I'm not seeing any proper action. They are waiting. They're wishing, but they're in waiting mode. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. That's why you're focusing on your career, because here no action. You fed up with this waiting mode energy, Pisces. Yeah, right now they guarded up because they want 10 of Wands, because there is a lot of going through in their life. 10 of Wands energy, they're feeling overburdened. Maybe they have so much work to do, family responsibilities, family issues. That's why right now they're patiently waiting for right time to approach you. Right now they're busy with their career or busy with their family issues, whatever. Right now they're feeling overburdened. Yes, Hermit. And the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. Right now your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. They're isolated from all and seeing everything in detail. Yes, it's your card. Lot of issues and lot of misunderstandings, illusions. Maybe they have regrets because in past they treated you as an option. Yes. So for some they scared for rejection. You are getting financial stability, new opportunities. Again, Ace of Pentacles. And yeah, they're rushing to communicate with you. Definitely there is communication is coming for some. And 6 of Pentacles, you want equal give and take. In past there is no equal give and take in this connection. So for some, a new person entering into your life, maybe this could be a new person. They're rushing to communicate with you, but there is communication is coming and you want stability and commitment. So let's see the mutual. They have regrets. Definitely they have regrets, Pisces. Yeah, new beginnings, the Fool energy with King of Swords and 7 of Cups, confusion. I think right now you both are in confusion. And yes, you new beginnings, but there are some issues. King of Swords energy, there is one person is very stubborn in this connection, but one person want new beginnings with the other person. It could be you or your person, but this is love and hate situation, because one person is coming back with a offer, but another person now setting boundaries. That type of situation because you want commitment, you want the best. Other than less than that, you don't want anybody. You don't want any offer. Less than that, I'm getting that type of energy, but they are rushing to communicate with you. Maybe it will take some time because everyone's situation is different from others. Where is the in which connection there is less resistance, then you will get quick results. So in any relationship there is more resistance, then results may be late. Okay, so let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Long distance relationship. I want to express my love. I am feeling sad without you. I want to be honest with you. I'm crazy about you. So these are the messages. Long distance relationship. I want to express my love. I'm feeling sad without you. I want to be with you forever. I want to be honest with you. I'm crazy about you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Pisces. Step out of your comfort zone, North Node, and don't let your past hold you back. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, first you have to step out of your comfort zone and do consistent hard work. And don't let your past hold you back. So if you have any past hurts, first you have to heal completely. Do meditation to heal completely. And release all the pain. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.